Dito.
Go!
Hi, Mama Jo. Happy birthday. We've been through a lot. Lots of hard times to take lot of quality time together. And I think we both agree that we treasure the same thing. Mama Jo, happy birthday. Good thing na birthday mo, mom ko, kasi syempre, kasi mabait yung nanay ko. Hoping naman ako mabait ka din. Pero yun nga ang sabi nila, katulad din sinabi sa Twitter, both of you are a good person and you deserve what you're having right now. So, God bless and more projects to come. Syempre sana maturuan nyo rin ako ng sayo nyo kasi kailangan ko siya. And we love you with all our hearts. I love you with all my heart. And thank you so much. Thank you for inspiring hundreds of dancers here in the Philippines. Nasubiting na lahat sa'yo ngayon. Pagpatuloy ko lang yan kasi hanggat may mga taong nag-a-admire at nai-inspire mo, for sure hindi ka rin titigil na gumawa ng mas maganda.